This one I might have to it's been already dismounted this side by whoever owned the tire before. Here is a Florida quality tire right here. This is what happens to your old tires when you use them. Can you imagine that? This is probably someone's spare tire.
It's crazy.
Can you imagine that on the road though, that thing coming apart?
No.
This is a prime example of why you want to you know, keep track of your tires. And I mean, someone drove this thing into the ground, of course, but you know, would you really want this falling apart on the highway at 70 miles an hour?
So that's why you see those strips of tire.
Well, those are most of those are like retreaded truck tires, and those things are always just falling apart all over the place. But I think this might be like maybe a Toyota wheel or something like that. But yeah, this is a prime example of why you don't want to run dry rotted old tires on your car, unless you just drive to the store and back. But even then, you know, it'll still come apart. Okay, I might have.
Go ahead.
Yeah, this one's fighting, so I'll get the my chop saw. So that'll take care of it.
Tool of choice.
Yeah, it's saved me lots of times. The little cheapy little skill saw, and I've had this thing. Wow. Oh boy, geez, I've had that probably 15 years. Yeah. This is one fighting tire, that's for sure. Jeez. As dry rotted and beat up as it is, and it's still don't want to come apart. Alright.
So if you had a new tire and you had to change out your hubcap thing, would you do it like this?
Believe it or not, I've actually the tires on my Barracuda, I got them at the junkyard, and I just, you know, I dismounted them and mounted them myself. It was, you know, no big deal because, you know, I call new tires like gumballs. You know, they're so flexible that they're really easy to come apart and whatnot. That's why you see people that, you know, do it themselves. They it makes it look so easy because we're working with newer stuff. But when you're working with old dry rotted garbage, I mean, this stuff is like old cement, and so I'll cut the bead real quick here.
So what are you doing now, Jeff?
Oh, the only reason I'm taking this thing apart is because there's way too much stuff in the truck and I'm trying to squeeze it in. When you're scrapping for lunch money and you have just a little truck, space is a
Commodity.
you bet. Let's see.
So you're just trying to take it down to its bare bones so you can shove it in the truck.
Yeah, let's see if it'll go up in there. Well, I'll be darned.
Got it.
See the gate will. Oh yeah, just enough. Poor bike. Oh, we forgot the seat.
Will they take that seat?
Oh yeah. Okay.
No, back to this tire.
Ugh.
Really? We're still there, huh?
This is not the way to do it. So don't do this. I was trying to save time and thinking it would just come right apart and I could throw in the truck so we could get out of here, but no.
Isn't that always the way it is, though?
See, now this is where the part where other people are just laughing because they. Hear
What's
this.
a band?
Okay, well, you can sort of see them here. You know, that's what keeps the tire tight to the rim.
Oh gosh.
There's a bunch of you can see. Oh, I cut through the bands there.
Okay.
But
So on this side, what's happening is you're just not releasing.
well, it's just just being a booger. So
It's super tight.
now I can get the cutter in there and chop it and hopefully.
And it's released. Wow, look at that. Don't hit my car.
That was embarrassing. Okay. Something I forgot to mention is you need to pop the lead weights off because they and this one fights.
Of course. There we go. What are those for?
These balance the wheel and tire whenever this thing was done last. But
So why can't you leave them on there?
when you take rims to the scrapyard, they don't want the lead weight on there, so.
Okay. Good enough?
And there we go. Now, will it actually shut?
I like your fancy protection there. You know, people have like these special rubber mats and stuff, but
Well,
I like the recyclable kind.
yeah, you know, this truck is up for sale, so I'm trying to keep it as nice as possible.
Come on, baby.
Uh-oh. Oh. Ow.
Oh man.
If I move this that way, that way. It shut.
Yep. You did it.
But we're not done yet. So I gotta grab some more stuff out of the shop. Just want to emphasize that last tire wasn't representative of what
Aw, come on, Jeff. They're all that hard, right?
Nah, I actually have the easier way to dismount them. I was just in a hurry, and of course, you know, that's what happens when you're in a hurry. It's a big mess.
I think you're the scrapper surgeon here.
Okay.
You got just as many tools and things as a surgeon.
Don't drag your cord like this. Don't drop your tools like that. Ugh.
So what kind of treasures have you brought me here?
More for scrap. But
What are those?
you'll like the. I found this the other day. That's
I like the bucket.
It's a copper, solid copper bucket.
Wow.
Pretty cool. Huh?
Yeah, but what's the stuff in there?
Oh, just scrap.
It's just stuff you found too.
Yeah,
Radios?
junk.
Just junk. Oh, it looks like a radio. Right.
I call it weight. All it is weight. All right. Just like new.
You would know that all that junk is in there, huh?
Let's see, I'm guessing the way the truck's squatting, hopefully we have at least 600 pounds, so that should be enough for lunch. Florida.
600 pounds?
Hopefully, and that'll be enough just for lunch, so that's good.
You must have expensive lunch.
Well, here in Florida, the prices are really low, so